Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called Sun Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. Hello friends, Happy New Year to you. Today I'm demonstrating how to put this month's free card kit together. I'm sharing 3 out of the 6 options I've created for you. Of course, you'll receive 2 options plus envelopes. I'm also sharing some new products you'll be able to purchase on January 5th, 2021. The first was the stamp set I just shared. It was called Sweet Strawberry, and it is part of a bundle, and I will be featuring an online class using this set. I just haven't had a chance to get to it, but it'll happen shortly. So what I'm doing here is I am stamping the sentiment from that photopolymer stamp set, and it says, "Happy birthday, you sweet thing." So these tag punches are in your kit as well, and I have used the Treasured Tag Pick a Punch, and that actually is with a bundle called Treasured Medallions, and I will be doing a online class for that as well. This delightful berry designer series paper, it's called Berry Delightful, and it is very delightful, and you can only get this particular paper with a $120 purchase. This is a free gift with purchase, and it also comes with an additional berry themed stamp set called Berry Blessings. It all works really well together, and I'm lucky enough to be able to pre-purchase this product, and I've just started playing around with it. So that's the reason why there's going to be a card class with it, online card class. I'll put the link in the description in case you're interested. Anyway, these are the lovely papers. They're so nice on both sides. I chose to go with the fruit this time. There's blueberries, there's strawberries, there's raspberries, and then the back side is lovely as well. So I have paired them with some of the colors that came in the paper. Let me see, there was Balmy Blue, Blackberry Bliss, Coastal Cabana, Cherry Cobbler, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, Poppy Parade, Rich Raspberry, Shaded Spruce, and Whisper White. So I'm sharing with you how you could change the orientation around just to give some variety to your projects. And that's pretty much it. This is the card kit for the month of January 2021. There's a lot of amazing online content coming out for you. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my YouTube channel and blog. I wish you all the best in the new year, and I will catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.